Hey guys, welcome back. It's so good to see you again. It's been a little while. Today, we're gonna be checking out my newest listing in the Walden Townhome community in Miami Gardens. As always, if you get any value from this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might be looking for a house in South Florida. My name is Michael Valencia with Realty. I'm one of the best realtors in Florida, and this is Living in South Florida. Come on in, let's go check it out. Built in 2016, this model has 1,589 square feet. It offers 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Tile all throughout the downstairs and an open concept that is great for that much needed family time. The kitchen has an upgraded appliance package, espresso cabinets, and plenty of space on your granite countertops to prepare and serve all of your culinary creations. And the big windows off the kitchen let in all the natural light you need to be inspired. Take off your shoes and relax as you walk comfortably on the carpeted stairs that lead you to the 3 bedrooms, beginning with the spacious primary suite. It features a walk-in closet, dual primary sinks, and a stand-up shower with a soak-in tub. The other 2 bedrooms are standard sizes, and they both share the nicely and spacious second bathroom. 9 minutes to the Hard Rock Stadium, 16 minutes to the Hard Rock Casino, 20 minutes to the Aventura Mall and Bright Light Station, 20 minutes away from Hallandale Beach, and with easy access to both the Turnpike and I-95, you're almost dead center between Fort Lauderdale and Miami International Airports. You might be asking yourself, why are so many families moving to Miami Gardens? Here's why. In the last 5 years, D.R. Horn started building Walden Place. Lennar built the Via Venture community, followed by Viewpoint. Tesla opened their 3rd location here in South Florida, right here in Miami Gardens. Formula One also signed a 10-year contract with the Hard Rock Stadium, making the Miami metro area the first city in the world to be able to host every major sporting event like the Men's World Cup in 2026. The rapper Flo Rida has also invested in commercial real estate right here in South Florida. Finally, for the latest development, as reported by the Miami Herald, Immocorp Capital, a South Florida real estate equity fund and development firm, has announced that construction is expected to begin this year in the Miami Gardens City Center. Within walking distance of the Hard Rock Stadium, the project is planned to include 720 multifamily units with a 2-story clubhouse, 2 flag hotels, retail, restaurants, entertainment, and a Formula One museum. If you enjoyed this tour, please let us know by tapping the like button below. Share this video with anyone you think will love this house. And if you have any questions about the South Florida market, all of my information is in the description below. I'll see you at the next one.